How you doing? Adam from CW Hayden. Today I want to introduce you to the Morse Challenger blade. This is a bimetal bandsaw blade that's going to be your go-to for structural applications, interrupted cuts, and bundle cutting. With this blade comes increased blade efficiency and longer blade life, which is going to lead to fewer blade changeouts and straighter cuts. It is available in a variety of sizes and TPI, TPI being teeth per inch, gullet to gullet over the course of an inch. In order to determine which TPI is right for your application, consider the material thickness and shape. If you have a piece that's 5/16 thick, you want to go finer, like a 5/8 TPI. And if you got something thicker, like 1 3/8 inches, let's say, you want to go coarser TPI, like a 2/3. If you have any more questions or you want to give this blade a shot, reach out to us today. I'd be happy to oblige. Thank you. See you next time.